Hi, I'm Clifton from M1. M1 is a telco, well, also a IoT service provider, and I think in the space where I'm working on is in the product development space, focusing on IoT applications as well as digital solutions for verticals like retail, transportation, and smart city. I guess one of the key parts for this region will be urbanization, where cities become denser, both in terms of populations, as well as both buildings and all this will also increase over time. Hence, the challenge for city management becomes more complicated, both in terms of scale. So in M1, in the IoT space, we are focusing on IoT solutions and services for two verticals, largely now looking at smart city and buildings. That's about automating stuff like energy management, waste management, facilities management. So using both hardware, software, as well as the connectivity network to link them seamlessly as a IoT service, so that end customer can actually just use it in a very simplistic manner. And in another vertical that we are applying the same will be actually in the automotive and transportation. So we are into areas like fleet management of vehicles, e-bikes, e-scooters, even assets like lorry trailers and all this. So if you look at it, this is really to address some of the key urbanization challenges that smart cities face, both from people-centric as well as the supply chain that is running around to serve the people or the businesses. I would say IoT today we are just at the start, where things and devices are getting connected or digitized. The next phase you are looking really about making better use of the data through analytics and management to do your more advanced planning. And then I think the next intuitive way is actually applying the right AI to actually automate and then run it in a very efficient manner. So I think these are, in a very intuitive manner, stages of where IoT fits in the bigger picture of how the city will become smarter. I mean, an event like this is great, where both ourselves working through our local ecosystem partners, as well as it's a good event to allow customers or consumers to actually understand what are available, and it's also a good place to actually network with other potential partners in this space. So that I think in the IoT space, you can't work alone. You need partnerships and you need to do co-development a lot, because it's an entire end-to-end from devices all the way to applications. So I think such event helps.
Are you having a good time here?
Sure.
Okay, thank
Thanks,
you very much. Thanks for your time, Clifton.
Thank you. Thank you. Pleasure.
Thank you.